Hello everyone. Welcome back to Xplorer. Today, we are diving into Vivo's latest flagship, the Vivo X200. This phone promises top-notch performance, a stunning display, and breakthrough camera technology. If you're excited to learn about its powerful features and find out if it's worth the upgrade, stay tuned. Let's start with the design. The Vivo X200 continues Vivo's trend of creating sleek, premium-looking phones. It features a glass back with a satin-like matte finish that resists fingerprints and gives it an elegant feel. With its aluminum frame, the X200 has a sturdy build and a solid in-hand feel. The Vivo X200 comes in two standout colors, Aurora Blue and Midnight Black. Both are modern and refined, making the device look high-end. The rear camera module has a streamlined design that fits seamlessly into the body, giving the phone a unique, cohesive look. Moving to the front, we have a gorgeous 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is sharp and vivid, thanks to a 3200x1440 resolution. With support for HDR10+, colors are vibrant, and the contrast is impressive, making the X200 perfect for watching videos, gaming, or any other visual content. This screen also has an impressive 1500 nits of peak brightness, which ensures great visibility even under direct sunlight. Whether you're outdoors or indoors, the Vivo X200's display gives you an enjoyable viewing experience. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor. This chipset is built on the latest 3nm architecture, offering impressive performance and efficiency gains. It's paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, which means faster multitasking and app launch speeds. The Dimensity 9300 is known for its smooth performance, allowing the X200 to handle intensive tasks like gaming and multitasking with ease. For gaming enthusiasts, titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile run smoothly at high settings without frame drops, and the thermal management system keeps the device cool even during extended gaming sessions. The Vivo X200 runs on FunTouch OS 13, based on Android 14. FunTouch OS 13 brings a range of customization options, including enhanced privacy controls and improved performance features that let you make the experience your own. Some standout features include Smart Split for multitasking and extended RAM that boosts performance by using up to 8GB of storage as virtual RAM. The OS feels smooth, and animations are crisp and responsive, making everyday usage seamless. Powering this device is a large 5200 mAh battery, which ensures you can get through a full day of heavy use without needing to recharge. Vivo has also packed in 120W fast charging, allowing the X200 to go from 0 to 50% in just around 10 minutes. On top of that, the Vivo X200 supports 50W wireless charging, which is a nice addition for those who prefer the convenience of going cordless. And with the 10W reverse wireless charging, you can even use your Vivo X200 to charge other devices, which can be a lifesaver in a pinch. One of the most exciting features of the Vivo X200 is its 108MP triple camera setup. The main sensor captures incredible detail with vibrant colors and sharp contrast, making your photos look professional with minimal effort. The secondary 16MP ultrawide lens is perfect for landscapes and group shots, and the 12MP periscope telephoto lens provides up to 5x optical zoom, letting you get closer without sacrificing quality. The combination of these lenses gives you versatility to capture a range of perspectives. In low-light conditions, the X200 shines. Vivo Super Night Mode reduces noise while maintaining detail, ensuring that your photos are clear even in challenging lighting. The AI algorithms work to balance exposure and brightness for stunning night shots. Selfie enthusiasts will be pleased with the X200's 32MP front camera. This sensor produces sharp selfies with natural skin tones, and the portrait mode is enhanced by AI algorithms that add a subtle blur effect for a more professional look. Moving on to audio, the Vivo X200 comes with dual stereo speakers that produce clear and immersive sound. This makes it ideal for watching videos and gaming without headphones. However, for music enthusiasts, connecting to high-quality headphones will give you the best experience. In terms of connectivity, the X200 supports 5G Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. These ensure you get fast data speeds, low latency, and easy connectivity for payments and accessories. For security, Vivo includes an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both are fast and reliable, providing quick access to your device while keeping it secure. The Vivo X200 comes with some additional features to enhance the overall experience. It has IP68 water and dust resistance, so it can withstand splashes or accidental drops in water, making it more durable for daily use. There is also extended RAM 3.0 technology that allows for smoother multitasking by using some storage as virtual RAM, plus the option to manage performance settings to extend battery life or boost speed as needed. With all these features packed in, the Vivo X200 falls into the premium mid-range category. The combination of performance, battery life, and camera versatility makes this device a strong contender for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality smartphone without going fully flagship. To wrap things up, the Vivo X200 is a well-rounded device that offers solid performance, impressive camera capabilities, and a premium design. It's designed to cater to users who want a powerful and versatile phone without spending top-tier flagship prices. Thank you for watching today's review on Xplorer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay updated on all things tech. And let us know in the comments, would you consider the Vivo X200 as your next smartphone?